Previously, before Trey Chaney goes to the gym.
Aisha, baby, this is the best air I've ever tasted in my life. You did your big one with this one. Thank you, Jehovah. I won't be fat this summer.
I have nothing to worry about. The competition, they're not in the gym at 5 a.m. They're not reading 400-page books. They're not taking their health serious. They're not consistent, dedicated, committed to bettering themselves every day. Never compete is how you compete. I'm looking myself in the mirror. Trey Chaney One YouTube channel. Subscribe right now. We just hit 10K subscribers. And I'm on the road and the journey to 1 million. ChaneyWay.com for all of the merch, all of the product. You can buy the album. You can buy the fragrance. We in the gym at 5:45 a.m. and we're not leaving till 7. Let's go.